Hello, this is Cindy from Cinder's Papercraft, bringing you some tips and tricks. Now this is one that was inspired by Jennifer Maguire. I can't find the original tutorial that she done, but it's all Jennifer Maguire. I just put my stamps at the back. There's the difference. This is different uses with craft foam. Very helpful in some ways because you can stamp with it and you can re-stamp and clean them the way that I do it, but it's always worth watching. Glues here have more than one use usually, so I've included the different ways that you can use them, which might be helpful for a new crafter or someone that thought, well, I never knew that, because none of us know everything about crafting. I also show how you can put lines onto all your clear blocks. It's super easy and it's quick and it works. It helps you to get straight sentiments each time, and it makes working with the not clear ones a lot easier. This shows you that you can put a shadow on any die, which will save you pennies because they're usually more expensive than the ones with the shadows. So any shape you can put a shadow on. This one I think is going to be one of the biggest ones because that line there is showing you dead straight how to line it up with a lined block. You will get a straight stamp each time. That one I think most people would like more than other things. We've got brushes coming up here. Now Tim Holtz has some blending brushes. These work in the same way and they're like a fraction of the price. You'll also see their seed beads in different colours. Well, use alcohol inks on them, which I go into in the videos. Coming up, we got Stampin' Up punches that you can also use in a different way. So if you've got them, it's worth watching because you will get another way to use them. And I will show you that again in depth into the tutorial. Here again is the results of the straight lines you can get. By this stage, I had actually taken off the stamp and just put it back on so it will look silly, but it also shows you can put it onto also a round stamp, which I find important because I use round stamps. So all as I will say is I hope you enjoyed it. It's going to be in 2 parts and I hope to see you soon.